Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the AV1 code in Windows 10. AV1 code is generally not enabled by default guys, which is obviously probably one of the main reason can't open image. I show you guys what's the problem is. If you download in Google or something else like that, here the file format is AV1 format, video extension format is required to display the file. Just you want to download it guys. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type store, store. Here opens Microsoft Store. Just click on open it. Now search here AV1 video, AV1 video extension. Here comes AV1 video extension. You need to download this guys. Microsoft Corporation, you need to check this where Microsoft is owned by it. Click in install. Rating is 3.8. 5-star rating is good app guys. Just click on open it, not like this. You want to go to what the file, can't open it, just open the file. Now the file can open it guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. You can open like this also. You can open whatever file you have problem with, click and open it. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.